for getting through this CVS run thanks to McDonald's and the Happy Meal. Sawyer, can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say subscribe?
Hi.
Like and comment. Okay, you guys, so Covergirl this week is on a buy 12, you're gonna get an $8 extra care buck, and there are still coupons on coupons.com, you guys. So there are, let me get to my coupons. So currently on coupons.com, we still have 3-off-1 coupons for any one Covergirl eye product. And there are still coupons for the Lash Blast, and there are still coupons for the Lash Flash. So just make sure you print out those coupons and head to CVS. If you have a percentage off coupon, these are gonna be an item that you can use a percentage off coupon with. So you just need to spend $12 and then you're gonna get an $8 extra care buck back. And I think that is a great promo running on Covergirl Cosmetics. So spend 12, get 8. Okay, so just a little quick deal scenario. What you could do is pick up 2 of these Covergirl professional mascaras. They are priced for $6.49. So you can pay 2 of them for $12.98 and then use 2 of these 3-off-1 coupons. It's gonna take $6 off. So now you're down to $6.98. You get back that $8 extra care buck, and that makes these guys a moneymaker. So over $1 and something cent moneymaker. So this is an awesome time to stock up on some mascara. Alright, so the next deal is going to be on soft soap body wash. These guys are priced for 2 for $7, and you're going to get a $4 extra care buck back when you buy 2, so that makes them 2 for $3. Now if you have a 2-off-6 CVS CRT for body wash, then that's going to make these So if you have that 2-off-6 CVS CRT body wash, you're going to take an additional $2 off, making them 2 for $2 or $1 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal on soft soap body wash. So we have a nice deal on select P&G products. So when you spend $15 or more, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck, and the Tide Pods are included, you guys. So for this scenario, go ahead and buy 3 of the Tide Pods. These are going to be $14.82, and then to get yourself over that $15 mark, pick up 1 Dawn dish soap, which are on sale for 99 cents. So total is going to be $15.81. Now you're going to want to use 2 of the Tide coupons. Ooh, I'm like decorating the floor with Tide coupons. You want to use 2 of the inserts for the 3-off-1. These guys expire on the 25th of August, and then you want to send a 3-off-1 to your CVS card. So you're going to pay $6.81, but then you get back a $5 extra care buck, making it $1.81 for 4 or 45 cents each. So that is a really nice deal on some Tide Pods and some Dawn dish soap. The random things that toddlers will pick up. He's going for this extendable back scratcher. Sawyer, you're a funny boy. Okay, so we're currently in the grocery section. So the Bumblebee canned tunas, these guys are 88 cents. Regular price is $1.49. So that's a nice little sale price on canned tuna. And then we're also gonna go to the Campbell's condensed soups. These guys are 88 cents each. So you could go ahead and pick up a cream of chicken soup or a cream of mushroom soup, get some tuna, and you can make like a tuna noodle casserole. I don't like tuna noodle casserole, but I'm sure someone out there does. So also the Campbell's chunky soups, these guys are 2 for $3 or $1.50 each, which is great because again the starting price is $3.19 if you were going to buy a regular price. So 2 for $3 is great. And then Fetch Rewards is a bonus item for Fetch Rewards. So when you purchase items from the brand list, you're going to get bonus points. So that's so fetch. That's from Mean Girls, I think. Every single time I say fetch, I automatically think of Mean Girls. That is so fetch. Oh my god, you guys, seriously, this is what happened. I seriously dropped all my coupons. Oh my god. It's like New Year's Eve confetti, but it's coupons. Okay, so the Folgers Coffee, these guys are on sale for $5.99. So regular price is $9.99 and the sale price is $5.99, along with this big Mamma Jamma tub of coffee. This is the 24.2 ounce. These guys are also on sale for $5.99. Regular price is $13.79. So great deal. Now I need to clean up my mess. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, hi.
Sawyer, can you say hi?
How are you? You're so cute. I love your hat. That's a cool little hat.
Yes, it is. Special time with mommy.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Okay, you guys, so Kellogg's Pop-Tarts, these guys are on sale for $1.99 this week, and we have some coupons to pair. So there is a 2-off-4 coupon. So what you want to do is buy 4 of them for You want to buy 4 of them for $7.96. Use that 2 off 4 coupon. So final cost is $5.96 for 4 of them, or $1.49 each. So I think that is a really great savings on Kellogg's Pop-Tarts. Okay guys, so we have the same breakdown for Kellogg's cereals. So these guys are also on sale for $1.99, and we have that 2 off 4 coupon. So they're gonna be $1.49 when you buy 4 using that 2 off 4 coupon from the $7.29 Red Plum. How awesome, the coupons I left last week are still here on the diaper packages. So awesome that they're still here. Now the Pampers are also included in that spend 15 get 5. They're $9.99 this week. So you can pick up a bag of Pampers and then you can pick up a Tide Pod. So it's spend 15 get 5. What's wrong, Betty? Tell mommy. What's wrong? Oh, are we looking for Mickey? Okay, let's go find Mickey. Alright guys, easy freebie on the trolley gummies. So they are $2, and when you buy 1, you're going to get a $2 extra care box. That makes it free after extra care box. So head to CVS and get your gummies. Alright you guys, so the Hershey's Cookie Layer Crunch, these guys are priced for $3.79. We're getting a $2 instant coupon, so it's dropping it down to $1.79. And then if you have that $1 CRT from last week, pair it here, and it's going to be just 79 cents. So Nicole, go get your mint crunch. Alright, so the last deal is on the Pepsi 2 liters. So it's Pepsi as well as Dr. Pepper. They are on sale for 99 cents this week. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to our channel, and we will talk to you all later. We gotta go because Sawyer poo-pooed. Did you poo-poo?
Poo-poo.
Sawyer poo-pooed. Uh-oh.